Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Okay, so to check our calories burned, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. And once you wake up the screen, you can do a few things. You can swipe up on the current watch face, the home screen, to open the glances or widgets. And here we have the activity widget as the first one, and we have the amount of the calories burned during the day right here. You can tap on this activity widget to open the activity app, and here you have the graph for the whole day, and you can check the stats right here. You can also check the stats through the phone application, if you or rather on the iPhone that your watch is paired with. So if you grab your iPhone, open the fitness application, on the main page you will see this amount of with the details like steps, activity rings, sessions and awards and stuff like that. We are interested in this activity rings. You can tap on it, and here we have the move stat, basically the calories, and you can check it throughout the week by tapping on the days themselves. I believe you can also go back to the whole month if you want to, yeah. And of course, once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.